Hey guys, it's me Gabriel, and today I'm going to be unboxing another phone. It's a Huawei. It's the first Android I'm gonna unbox for my YouTube channel. So I am really excited, and let's get started. So first of all, this Huawei is a Huawei Mate 30 Pro 5G. It has a 256GB storage and an 8GB RAM. And the color's in orange. So basically it's the first Huawei phone that anyone in my family got actually, and the first one I'm gonna unbox, so let's get started. Since this is an Android, I'm gonna have to use a knife because you know iPhones we don't have to use knives. So let's unbox it. Hopefully it's recording. I hope it's recording. It's not cutting. That was satisfying. Let's unbox it. Also, this is being filmed on my birthday, but I have nothing to do because we're stuck at home, so why not film an unboxing? So this is the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, Ooh, the phone's like right on top. The box smells nice. So here it is. It's like packaged really nicely inside the box. Oh, it's so like, how do I say it? It's, you know, it's like the S8 Plus where it's like really thin and long. So let's take it out. It's orange. The camera though, it looks so well engineered. Oh my god. It turned on. I didn't press anything. Oh my god, it's turning on by itself. Okay. Well, let's set that aside. It's making a sound. I didn't press anything. Okay, some stickers. Got a phone tray. I haven't seen one of these in a while. Oh, this is really thick. Oh, okay. So we get instructions. Might need to use it because it's our first Huawei warranty card. Hopefully all this is in frame because I don't have a monitor. And a case. That's interesting. It's a transparent case that's hard. Well, I guess it's better than nothing because we don't have any Huawei's yet. So our cases, we don't have any cases, so yeah. And then of course we can't forget the SIM ejector tool. Okay, so that's basically like the instructions part. But now we have a charging brick. I mean, it's better than Apple, you know. Apple don't even give charging bricks now, or earphones for that matter. But I think this should be a fast charging one. Yeah, it's 40 watts, which is fast charging, but it's connected to USB-A, not USB-C. The phone I think is in USB. Yeah, the phone is USB-C, so I guess it works out. They gave charging cable, USB connected to USB-C, and also they give earphones that are USB-C. I've never seen one of these, but the earphones, they look exactly like Apple's earphones. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they are connected to USB-C because the Huawei doesn't have any headphone jack. And that's all for the box. Okay, so it actually feels really good. Feels nice. This is like thin and long, so it feels heavy as well, and the curved edges are like really nice, and it feels really thick, but it feels substantial. It feels like a premium phone. I guess it's supposed to be orange, and then the round camera. They have instructions here. So yeah. Oh, and there's like a, oh my god, the phone just turned on again. Okay, there's like a fingerprint mark here. I think it comes pre-installed with a screen protector, so I'm going to take these off. Okay. It's a screen protector pre-installed, so I love that Samsung and Huawei have both been doing that, and I think some Android phones too, so that's a nice step compared to Apple, who doesn't even give a charging brick. Okay, so the screen is a rectangular style. It almost looks like an iPhone screen, but it's more rectangular. I hope you guys can see it, and it has like a notch on top right there. So I would say it's kind of copycat, but then it's also nice in their own way. And the bag though, the bag feels like it's like leather or something. It's not like a typical glass bag or your plastic bag. It's like a synthetic leather feel. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like leather a little. The bezels are really thin. I like that the top bezel and the bottom bezel is about like the same size. And the power button is like a red color. I don't know if you guys can see it, like right there. And the sides are like rose gold. I like rose gold, but not with orange. It's a bit too much. And like around the camera, it's also rose gold, which is really nice. And the camera looks like a pro grade camera. I'm really excited to try it out because it's like Leica, but we don't know how good is the camera actually. So yeah, that's all for the unboxing side. I'm not gonna set it up because I haven't set up an Android phone before. So this is where the video ends. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.